How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off restricted mode on your YouTube mobile app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off restricted mode on your YouTube mobile application, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch your YouTube application here. Then after that, make sure to tap the profile icon. If you are on iOS, the profile icon could be located at the top right instead of the bottom right. Now from here, you have to go to your YouTube settings by tapping the gear icon from the top right hand side. And from here on, again, you have to go to the option called General. Once you come to General, simply make sure to scroll down. Here you'll find the option called Restricted Mode, which means that if you have enabled Restricted Mode, you have to make sure to simply turn off this toggle. When it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in blue. When it is turned off, it is going to get grayed out. So you can see it says this helps to hide potentially mature videos. So you can just turn off this toggle if you want to remove Restricted Mode. This way you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.